Ladies and gentlemen, this is question number 2 from the 2013 Math 2 released test for North Carolina. You are given two functions. One is represented by an equation, the other represented by a table. And you're asked to calculate the approximate difference between the maximum heights of those two functions. So the first thing we will do is we will enter the equation into our calculator, and that would be negative 16x squared plus 42x plus 12, and we will hit graph, and we want to calculate the maximum, so we would hit second trace, which is calc. And you can see where maximum is, that's number 4. And when it gives you a left bound, you want to put the cursor to the left of where you know the maximum is. And then it says right bound, you want to put the cursor to the right of where you know the maximum is. And we don't care about the guess. So now we know that we have a maximum of 39.56. And that is for the equation. Now we'll go back to the calculator because we need to convert the table to an equation. And so we will go to Stat and Edit. And for the sake of time, I've already entered the numbers. We want the x values in L1 and the y values in L2. Once you do that, you go to Stat, Calc. And we know this is a quadratic function. So we go down to quad reg for quadratic regression. We hit enter and enter, and we're given the equation ax squared plus bx plus c, and a equals negative 16, b equals 40, and c equals 9. So now we're going to enter negative 16x squared plus 40x plus 9. Negative 16x squared plus 40x plus 9. And we'll graph that. And we'll do the same thing we did before. Second calc. Maximum. Left bound. Go to the right. Right bound. Notice the two arrows up top indicating where the calculator is looking for the maximum. We don't care about the guess. And now we have a maximum of 34, which means we have a difference of 5.59, which is really close to 5.6.